Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? If you're new here, you're welcome. If this is your first time of seeing my channel or coming across my videos, you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe before you continue watching this video. I need an angel. Probably watched my last video. I talked about being on the PR of Juvia's place, and today it came through. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be reviewing the Juvia's Place Shade Stick Foundation. I received it in the mail a few days ago. Oh my god, this is the PR packaging. This is so beautiful. I just love the concept, the color concept of it. If you open it, you see a bag, a makeup bag inside, and this is where it contains all the foundation stick. And it also comes with a pamphlet about the foundation and the shade stick. So I'm just gonna read through it. The shade sticks are formulated to feel like skin, providing a seamless finish. 13 multi-purpose shades. It can be your foundation, conceal, correct, highlight, and a contour. It is medium to full coverage, beautiful. It's paraben free, cruelty free. So this is the makeup bag. This cost $16 just for this makeup bag. The foundation stick costs $16 as well. So wow, that is not bad in terms of like for a black home makeup brand and a new product as well. So I feel like that's not really bad price for it. I am just gonna take out the foundations from the bag and count how many shades I have with me. This is so cool. I'm so happy. I don't know how. God, you are great. The makeup bag came with 16 foundation shade stick. So the shade sticks are into 8 categories, from the very light to light, medium, tan, rich tan, dark, deep dark, and deepest dark. From the dark category up to the deepest category, I have every single shade, and I am going to be swatching 16 shades for you guys. I hope it goes well, maybe on my face, on my hand, I don't know. Right from the packaging of this foundation stick is 9.7 grams, 0.34 ounces, and really sleek packaging. So the first shade I'll be swatching is called Dominica. The next shade I'll be swatching is called Mauritania. Next shade is called Madagascar. I'm not so great at swatching, so I'm trying to minimize space. Next shade is Addis Ababa. Next shade is called Jacmel. Next shade is called Mozambique. Next one is called Guinea. And this shade is called Abidjan. And this one is called Cameroon. And this one is called Namibia. This shade is called Benin. This one is called Zambia. I think Zambia might be good for a contour shade. This one is called Sokoto. Very neutral dark. This one is called Katsina. Deepest dark. So this shade is called Tunisia. It's gonna be here. And the last shade from this category, deepest dark or everything, or this shade stick, this one is called Congo. Oh, you can see it's almost like dark, black. I think this one is my shade 1, 2, 3, 4, which is Addis Ababa, and I will use this to contour. And I do not know what any shade of this is because literally it's everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So probably I'll find right. So As you see, I'm back now. My face is not fresh again as before, and my face foundation shade will be Addis Baba, and my contour shade will be Zambia. However, I do have Juvia's Place liquid concealers in shade 7 and 12, so I will just be using the 12 as my under eye concealer and white the stick as my contour. So first is for we want to prime our skin. I'll be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer base. This is my second time using this primer, but like on its own actually. So I believe we should use brush for this look. However, I hope I picked the right shade. What do you think? I feel like this is probably a bit light though. I don't know, kind of it's a struggle me blending this out because it's been a long time I used a stick foundation. I'm used to liquid foundation, so this is, oh yeah, I remember it's medium to full coverage, so I just need to build it up to my preference. It has a very smooth finish. This is what I hate hair in makeup. So this time around, I'm not swabbing her, I'm just tapping. So next is to contour. I'll be contouring with Zambia. Ooh, very creamy. I'm gonna blend out with my brush. This is actually blending out nicely. Base stick I applied earlier on, I guess. Ooh, this is so good. So next is to conceal our under eye. I'm going to be using number 12 from the Juvia's Place liquid concealer. And I go ahead to blend out. So next I am gonna set and bake my face with the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder. So guys, I am just gonna quickly finish my base look. I'll be back. I decided to do a simple high look, just nude, gold and black. So I'm gonna repeat the same for this. Eyes, my shadow easily be laid down. I'm just gonna go with my black liner called Studio London. I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown highlighter. This is the finished look, guys. I am gonna go do my hair properly and I'll be back. Right. Welcome back, guys. This is the finished base look, high look, makeup look, review look and everything. And I do have some pros and cons to talk about this product. First of all, nice concept foundation stick. Not everybody loves foundation sticks and not everybody loves cream foundation. For me, it's not something I will be using every day. I have upper pigmentation. I like full coverage. I like something thick. However, this is medium to full coverage buildable. So even if I use it today, it does cover my upper pigmentation. I like it, but you can see the work I did for the foundation. I have to put about 3 like coat, like the first set of foundation layer, second set, another third, you know, swatching on my face coat, just to give me a full base coverage, which I didn't even get enough. Whereas when it comes to liquid, you just spread it out like butter and that's it, you go. First impression, like the packaging, nothing different, you know, just yeah, simple classic packaging. Lovely, love the sticks. It's beautiful, it's blendable. I think you will love it, everybody love it. It's affordable, $16. So yeah, this is really good and it's versatile. I mean, you can either use it for a contour concealer or as your foundation, like it is everything at once. As for the shade I use for my contour, I really love the way it blends seamlessly into my face. Very natural look here. I like that. It actually make look like my second skin, like I just did a little bit of makeup on my face. That's how the makeup is. It's not heavy, it's really lightweight. That's a good thing about it. It's like you're not seeing that I'm wearing makeup, but you can see that I am wearing makeup. Like you can see there's a liner, eyebrows, blush, but you don't know if my base is makeup. So that is the type of finish this is giving me. And I don't know if it's the primer I use. This is the second time I'm using this primer. It's either I'm feeling hydrated in the foundation, giving me a bit of dewiness. This foundation actually gives me more of a very soft matte finish. It's not too dewy, but a little bit. It's not too hydrating, but very soft. And on that note, this is definitely Jenny Fine approved for me. So guys, follow the swatch I did on here to see what should be suitable for you. You can also check me out on my Instagram at @Jennifer. I will be doing a mini tutorial of this look as well, and I hope you guys like this look. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up. Guys, don't forget to leave your comment below on your thought of this brand, on the foundation, and on this review. What do you think? Did I do well or not? I really want to know. And I like the way I paired this look with my nude lipstick. Is actually, that's what I said before, a natural kind of makeup, because you can't see that I'm too out there, I'm too bold, I'm too, you know, over the top. It's actually very low vibe. On that note, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. What are you waiting for? Come on, join the Jenny Fine family, and I will be seeing you in my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others, and peace out.